Would you look at these pair? Two really cool, quirky, nice Le Creuset items ready to get packed up. Welcome back to the channel. It's One Man Pan Man. We buy and sell everything Le Creuset. In this video, we've got some bits to pack, some quite cool, quirky items. And then we need to have a little look at what it is over there that we need to get out for cleaning. So I'll switch the camera around and we'll get on with packing the orders. So, first item is just a spare, like a second generation Le Creuset lid. So the little steam hole there, size 18, not the best condition, but obviously good enough to be a lid. It's like the ivory meringue, whitey cream colour. But spare lids, they don't fly out. Obviously people drop them and obviously need their backup. So we'll go twice round like that. That's more than enough to protect the lid. And then this will go in a bag, but we'll get the label on it first. It's easy to put a label on the bag while it's like this rather than putting something in, because then it starts creasing over the barcode. So we'll just put that aside. We'll deal with that in a minute. So our next one, very cool Love Heart casserole. This has been around for a little bit. It's not done in size, it's just done on the volume, so it's 2 litre. So obviously the Love Heart shaped, the little wings as the handles. Condition wise, near perfect. A slight little imperfection there, but that was obviously all part of when the process is done to make it. But it's real cool. These come in a few colours. I think you can get pink and white, and obviously red. It'd be good if they bought a black one out. I think they'll sell a few of those. Let's wrap this. Don't forget the cards, QR code on the back. Scan that. That will take you to the link tree. That will then obviously link you over to Facebook, Instagram, eBay, YouTube, and I think that's it for now. So once over on the lid, like that, lid on upside down, so then there's no way of the knob getting smashed off. And then also thinking about, excuse me, thinking about doing a Shopify, because the fees on there are much lower than eBay. So something else to worry about in the future. Let's wrap this up in here a bit more. There, that's more than good enough for packing. No rattling, no jingling. Tape around a few times. You don't need to go overboard with tape. 2 rounds is more than enough to secure it. And then our final item, very cool, see Le Creuset just there, the pumpkin mug with lid. So a bit out of season again, but obviously someone's picked it up because they will slightly increase in price as we get towards the October, autumn time of the year. But brand new 400ml mug, pumpkin design, boxed as well. Boxed is in just as good condition. Real nice item. So obviously with this item, we'll be super careful, just with it being the stoneware. So take extra care with the little stem there on top of the lid of the mug, and then just make sure these are all wrapped separately as well. This is not something I want to break. I do have the matching butter dish, what's it called? Butter keeper, which is still for sale. That will probably go obviously towards that sort of season. So September, October, I reckon that thing will be gone. But it's in the pumpkin style again, rather than the usual rectangular. But loads of padding in there, but then always put, no matter what it is, the lid upside down, so it can't. There's no way of it breaking if there's any sort of impact on the top. So, and then just bubble around again on this one, just to protect the box as well, with the box being in good condition. Obviously the person that's bought it, they may never use it. It could simply be displayed. It might be something they're looking to collect. There might be a few of them that they've already got on the shelf or cupboard, whatever. So the box is obviously just as important as the item that's in it. But and then overkill on this one, a huge box. Probably protect the entire package. It's my first pumpkin one. I've had a few pumpkin things. I've not had a pumpkin casserole dish yet. That's something I would like to get my hands on at some point if the price is reasonable. Because then if I had it, I would then look for obviously other Halloween sort of items. I'll bundle them together. I want to do a Halloween one. I'd like to do a Christmas one, and well, I suppose you could do a summer one, but I don't know really can't think what you'd put with it. But those sort of things, you can get like the baby stuff now, sort of baby set. There's all sorts of stuff that they're slowly bringing out and keeping. You can get a lot of the colourful jam jars now. The new honey pots are out. The new teapots are out. The new oil and vinegar dispensers are out. We're obviously having a bit of a rehaul of the stoneware stuff that they do, and obviously all the new mugs and the new mugs, the star sign mugs, and all that are coming out now as well. But this should get there fine, hopefully. And if it doesn't, then hats off to the courier, because you give it one hell of a whack. But it's sold, which is good, and hopefully it gets used, but it could go on display. So there we are, guys. That is the 3 parcelled up. We've got come out for cleaning. This will go and get blasted out. Likewise with this one, we'll make something new out of those. And then we've got the kiwi green, mushroom or the hazelnut brown, the large 30cm skillet, and obviously the bread oven. So thank you again for watching. Please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.